Very warm good morning to my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Babies, as you know that in our last class we have completed chapter 13 of English grammar. So today we are going to start a new chapter in English grammar, that is chapter 14, and its name is articles. Now, we have already learnt about articles many times in English Reader, that grammar, glee, and language structure portion. So, today we are just going to recall it and then we will do exercise work of that. So, babies, what are articles or what is an article? So, an article is a word that comes before a noun, and articles are used to point out the people or things. So simple thing is that we use an article before a noun to point out the particular people or thing. Now articles are of two kinds, that is indefinite articles and definite article. Now as we know that there are three articles: a, an, and the. And these three are subdivided into two categories: a and together, and the is in another category. A and n are indefinite articles and the is called definite articles. Now let's learn use of these articles. So here I'm going to explain you where to use indefinite articles. As I told you, a and n are indefinite articles. So a and n are indefinite articles. They are used when we are not talking of any person or thing in particular. They are used with singular countable nouns. This is very important, that noun should be countable as well as singular. In that condition, we can use a and n. For example, she always wanted to be a singer. See, singer is countable as well as singular. Now, a is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. We know that all alphabets are divided into two categories, consonant and vowels. So, where to use a? A is used before the words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, B, B, C, K, D, D, in that way. For example, a busy person. So, see, busy, B, sound of B. A table, sound of T. A university, sound of Y. So, now in that way many examples are given. Now let's learn about where to use n. So n is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Vowel sounds, vowels we know that a, e, I, o, u. So the words which begin with the sound of a, e, I, o, u, we will start these, or we will use n for those nouns. For example, an unripe mango, an engineer, an hour, an honest person. Here you can see H is silent in R and honest, but sound of these words have vowel sound. Then N, M, L, A. See, M is consonant, but the sound of M is sound of A, M. So that is vowel sound. That's why we use before MLA N. Now let's do exercise based on that. So here we have question 1. There are many parts. I am going to explain you 5 parts. On the basis of that, you will be doing rest parts of this question. So question 1 says fill in the blanks with a and n. So dash alligator is dash dangerous reptile. So an alligator is a dangerous reptile. Number 2, always keep dash dictionary. So dictionary has consonant sound, so a dictionary. Number 3, this is dash important question. So important has vowel sound, so n will be used before important. Number 4, he wants dash empty carton for craft activity. So empty has vowel sound, so it will be an empty. Then number 5, they waited for dash ambulance and dash doctor to take care of the patient. So ambulance has sound of vowel, so it will be an ambulance, and doctor has consonant sound, so a doctor. So in that way you have to do remaining parts. Now without wasting time, let's move to next part, that is definite article. So first thing, what is definite article? The is the definite article. It is used when we refer to specify or particular things. Means when we specify anything or we talk about a particular thing, that time we use the article. For example, look at the girl in red dress. So we are specifying that which girl who is in red dress. Then he spilled the milk on the floor. So what we are talking about, which milk we are talking about, which is spilled or spilled on the floor. That's why the is used here. Specific milk. Now, the is also used when we mention something again. Means if we are talking about a thing, first we mention it as its name, then if again we are talking about the same thing, in that case we use the. For example, I have a storybook. The storybook was gifted to me by my aunt. Then the is also used before superlative degrees of comparison. I told you yesterday about superlative degrees of comparison. We know that what are superlative degrees. So before that we always use the best, the most intelligent, in that way. Next, the is used before the names of unique things which are unique in the universe. For example, sun, so the sun, moon, so the moon, stars, so the stars, sky is also unique, so the sky. Now the is used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, famous buildings, holy books, newspapers, ships, trains, the name of countries, which indicate that the countries are made up of many parts, names of nationalities, religious communities, etc. For example, the Brahmaputra is river, the Arctic Ocean, the Red Sea, the Alps, the White House, the Gen Avesta, the Indian Express, the Titanic, the Rajdhani Express, the USA, the UK, the Indians, the Hindus. So in that way we can do that. Now the last one, the is also used with some of the words like the first, the last, the only, the next, etc. Now babies, there is tip of the day, and that is we do not use the with proper nouns in general, but when we compare someone with someone else, then we use the. For example, Rohit is the Sachin Tendulkar of our team. Here we are comparing Rohit with Sachin Tendulkar. That's why the is used before Sachin Tendulkar. Now, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. So, as Kashmir is compared here with Switzerland. So, that's why we are using the. Next, we do not use articles with abstract or material nouns unless we particularize it. Example, we get wood from the trees. Now have a look on next sentence. The wood used in this table is of good quality. So see, here we are particularizing it. Why? We are talking about the wood which is used in a particular table. Beauty is admired by all. Now next sentence, the beauty of the Taj Mahal. So here we are talking about the particular beauty, means beauty of Taj Mahal. That's why the beauty of Taj Mahal is written. Now let's move to next question, that is question 3, and it says circle the correct options. So number 1, the orange. So before orange it should be the. He is a or an eye specialist. So an eye specialist. Next, she was wearing the golden dress. Have you ever seen an ocean? The Thames flows through London. Next, he lives in a huge house. He was an absent mind scientist. Number 8, it is an extremely cold day. Number 9, could you tell me the way to the main market? Last one, we bought an LCD monitor for the computer. So with that, we are done with today's work. So babies, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Bye-bye.